What's going on, family? Today is the 4th of July, and I'd like to thank those who serve our country so that we can keep the independence that we celebrate. It's a beautiful day outside, and I thought it would be perfect to visit the United States' only public park to feature all 8 swan species, the Swan Lake Iris Gardens. We're here at the Swan Lake Iris Gardens. Another thing I love about this place is that they have a Braille Garden specifically designed to enable the sight impaired to enjoy the sense of the gardens here. Let's go take a look. That was amazing. We saw some beautiful nature today. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, click that like button, subscribe to the channel to get more, and please comment. We're always looking for ways that we can improve our videos. See you next time.